सुमंत नारायण सिंगलाल मो कैटेगरी होची भोजन केटरिंग सर्विसेज इनटू हॉस्पिटैलिटी यूनिट जार वेडिंग रिसेप्शन जहाँ दरकार पड़े हम से को आम प्लाटफॉर्म मेंबर अच्छी बीएनआई शाइन मोर आगु ट्रेनिंग यूनिट थिला एबे भी अच्छी ऐड कली भोजन केटरिंग प्लेटफॉर्म दरकार था बिजनेस प्लेटफॉर्म आ सेथि जॉइन कली तापर मो बिजनेस ग्रो करके चलला ऑटोमेटिकली 6 मंथ्स सो मो कहया छ जो माने बिजनेस खोलुचंती आ से माने ग्रो करिया चाहउचंती हम सीरियस अछंती एमिति नेटवर्किंग बिजनेस नेटवर्किंग प्लेटफॉर्म जॉइन करिया पड़िबो और बीएनआई ग्लोबली रिकॉग्नाइज्ड ट्रस्टेड प्लेटफॉर्म आप आखि बुझी यहाँ आप रेकमेंड भी करेंगे जो हाथ जाओ आ काम मिल पूरा ट्रस्टेड रही जे प्रतिष्ठित होगा चाहते बिजनेस कैटेगरी जे खोली स्ट्रगल कर क्लाइंट पाऊना एठू आसतु 100टा लोक 300 रेकमेंडेशन देवे ये बिजनेस ग्रो कर एस्टाब्लिश प्रोडक्ट नहीं सर्विस नहीं आगे बढ़ी बढ़ी चलिए सो इट्स अ प्लेटफॉर्म कनेक्टिंग ईच अदर and growing each other. So beautiful platform, BNI Shine.
Lot of visitors, lot of successful businessmen and professionals are invited, and the objective is to tell the entrepreneurs in Bhubaneswar that there be a referral networking platform called BNI is in Bhubaneswar, and Shine is one of the vibrant chapter. They can consider to become part of this great wonderful entrepreneurs group. That is the objective. See, in BNI we don't sell any other product, but they promote their own business, whatever products, services, or whatever is their offering. They go to the market with the help of another set of 40-45 members. They all promote each other and grow their business, and we have been fairly successful in this. BNI Bhubaneswar in 7 years have got the business of 2,000 crore plus to its fellow members, and this business was contributed by members to members, and annually we are doing close to 350 plus crore business to for members are generating business for themselves. Beside this, one of the main initiative of Mega Visitor Day is we want to take our region from 375 members region to 500 members region, and our goal is in rolling 12 months we should do 500 crores business for our members.
Anybody interested to participate to join with you? What is the criteria?
Criteria means he has to have a business, he has to be a structured, all statutory compliances should be there, and he has to be a credible person who wish to give business and grow himself. That is how givers gain is the basic philosophy of BNI, and we have seen it working wonders. Not only in Bhubaneswar, all over India there are 75,000 plus BNI members. All over the globe there are 3.5 lakh plus BNI members, and in India BNI India members are getting a business doing annually 55,000 crore plus business every year. So this is a testimonial of success of the BNI platform. I have to introduce Mr. Piyush Gupta, who has taken all the initiative to make this grand Mega Visitors Day. Over to you, Piyush.
I'm an architect, Piyush Goenka, founder architect of Envirogen Design Studio. So we do projects across India, pan-India, with an experience of more than 16 plus years in this field. BNI is a grandest ever platform for entrepreneurs and business people who is willing to generate business through referrals. In this platform, there are members from different organization and different streams, maybe a vendor from a real estate, a builder, a tile, a contractor, catering services. So that is how the member generates referral from each other.
So those who are joining BNS, what BNS provide? What
BNI is providing a platform to do networking.
any other facilities from BNI?
Look, this is only
They are of products.
This is the only platform in the country where people who are serious about the business, who are serious about turning their efforts into money, they can join, they can come over here, they can be part of this organization where we have more than 350 plus members from different allied industries in Bhubaneswar region.
All are guided by BNS.
All are guided and polished, mentored by BNI.
Any message to the those who are interested about this?
My message for entire Bhubaneswar and other part of the state would be try to explore what BNI is, because if you are really willing to make money, you should at least join couple of meetings as a visitor to understand how BNI works. You can also Google it. You can go through the social media and Google what exactly BNI is. So once you are part of the BNI and once you generate business, so you will definitely think of joining it further. Again, apart from generating and getting business, it is also a platform where you polish yourself, where you are getting mentored. How would you like to present yourself? How would you like to talk in a business platform, business forum? That is what BNI does.